Now get ready for the big one. Out your side.
This is terrible, bro.
Are you ready?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Whole huge tree in the road. Oh my god. This is insane. Oh
Look at the cars.
my. Oh my god. That's insane. Huge tree. Oh my. Look at that, blocking the whole road. Holy cow. That was a big tree. Tornado broke it like it was nothing. Dang. What are you doing? Careful. This is my car. Yeah, if I had a oh my god, look at that. Split it like it was nothing. That's horrible. It landed on my dad's house. One wasn't going in a different direction. That thing went off. Holy cow. That's the best one I've ever seen. That guy had some pretty good luck. That's the best luck I've ever seen. He didn't hit his house.
Any damage this is?
No.
Look, it looked like it touched down right behind you.
Yeah. Look at that though. That's horrible. As far as the eye can see, there's just branches in the road, and that's just horrible.
There must have been 2 or 3 right here together, 2 or 3 tornadoes. Because it looked like there's 2 or 3 different paths.
Or it like touched down and then went back up and touched down. Oh my. Look at that. There's branches on the road, big branch down. Big branches down. Oh, that's a nice house. That's like a farmhouse.
The roof up there.
Careful.
Show the damage on the roof.
There's no damage.
You don't see the damage on the roof? Those shingles pulled up.
No.
You must be blind.
Oh, there's a big tree down here.
See, there's separate tornadoes.
All the way at the end, there's another big tree down in the road blocking it. Please don't ruin my car and go in the grass again.
All right.
It does. This is low.
There must
These
have
branches
been.
are gonna hurt my car.
Show this.
Oh my god! Look at that power line. Thrown on a power line. I'd hate to be working on that. I think you get shocked from that severely. Dang. That's horrible. That's as bad as down there, that huge branch that fell. Actually, that was more than one branch. That was like 3 branches. Look at this. Oh my god.
Look how electric lines are pulled down.
Electric lines are just destroyed like they're nothing. All twisted, pulled down, mangled. Holy cow.
You seen this before, Chelsea? This much damage?
Look at this.
Came through here, another small one. All over this
Look at that. Oh
Collinswood
my
area.
god, dude. Look at that.
It was coming this way. See how they're pushed this way?
All the trees snapped in half. Right there. Snapped in half. What was that loud pop? Huge tree blocking the road. Even up here. Oh my god, there's a bin. Somebody's bin. I think it hit a house. There's a bin there. I think it hit a house here locally and tore some things out.
Look at the trees on the
Oh
roof of
my
the
god,
house.
look at that.
That's living into the roof.
Yeah, it is. Holy cow, this tree is through the
I
roof.
mean, I gotta show this where it's pushed in the roof.
Through, careful, it's zoomed in.